No, Mom, look out. Don't do that. Why'd you do that? I wanted to eat at the ducks. Well, let's let it at least tack them.
Come over on this side.
You get away.
What? He's behind the tree.
I know. He's behind the tree now. So listen to the ducks. There he is, right there. There's the ducks right there. There's the eagle right there. Eagle. Ducks. Ducks. Hungry eagle. Yummy. And we're going to have quite a show as long as Phyllis doesn't interrupt the meal. I'm willing to sacrifice one duck for this footage. Come on, baby. Go ahead. That eagle wants to know if Phyllis is going to bother him. There it is, right there. It ain't far now. Here we go. Dun, 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 dinner. Dinner. Boy, am I hungry. Nummy. Yum. Come on, get back. Don't ruin my possible top 10 Facebook movies. Don't hurt my ducks. Huh? No, I won't let it happen as long as you stay inside. What are you gonna do?
I opened the door and it dropped.
Dropped? It had one in its grip.
Yeah.
Okay, Phyllis has already stopped the meal once, so the eagle is pissed. Ma, come on. Get in the house. Well, are you really going to stop this from happening?
Yeah.
Why?
Why wouldn't you?
Why would you? You got to let nature take its course.
Nature take its course.
And it's going to go right now, Ma. I will tackle you. Come on, duck. Boy, they're just sitting ducks, aren't they? Ma, don't stop this, please. Because it's going to happen. Ma, do not stop this.
Look at those beautiful ducks.
Yeah, I'm sick of looking at them ducks. They shit all over the place and everything else. Let them have a duck dinner. Remember when that eagle hauled that kitten away over on English?
Yeah.
Boy, that neighbor was freaked out. Grabbed the rest of her kittens out of the backyard and ran in the house. Lost one kitten to an eagle. That was about 15 years ago I seen that one. These eagles are serious. Go ahead. Go ahead. There's one hungry eagle. Oh, it's getting ready. It's doing some exercises. Cleaning its face off a little bit. Go ahead. He can't believe it if you try stopping us. That eagle can't believe it. They're just sitting ducks. Go ahead, eat up. Oh wow, it can spin its head all the way around. Look at that. It's looking behind it. It's amazing. Oh, there's kids in the backyard over there.
What?
It's gonna fly away because of them kids.